Milledgeville County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1655 Zulu weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 19 Celsius. Dew point 1. Altimeter 2998.
Barrow County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, taxiing from T hangars runway 31 Barrow.
Barrow County down star, 203 Foxtrot, turn left, crosswind 31 Barrow.
Barrow County traffic, 737 Whiskey X-rays, crossing 523 Charlie, taxiing 31 Barrow.
Welcome aboard. Today, we're flying from Barrow County to Baldwin County in the Cessna 172. The flight's only about 35 minutes long. Sit back and enjoy this flight on this pretty day. As we finish our run-up and wait for traffic to take off, please like and subscribe and click the bell notification to stay updated on new videos.
Barrow County down star, 203 Whiskey Foxtrot, is left down 131, doing right 360 for spacing, Barrow. Barrow County number 225, Delta Alpha, series final 31, touching up, Barrow.
Barrow County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, departing on way 31 Barrow County.
Barrow County number 225, Delta Alpha, serial left across 31, Barrow. Barrow County traffic, MSR, 203 Whiskey Foxtrot, on the go, 3-1, we have 225 in sight. I'm going to extend my departure lane, Barrow.
Power's coming up. We have good RPM. Everything's in the green. Airspeed's alive.
Alpha, serial left down lane 31, Barrow.
There's 50, 55.
Barrow County traffic, Cherokee 95329, 3 mile final for runway 31. Barrow County traffic. Barrow County traffic, number 223 Whiskey Foxtrot, only extended, departure lane 31, turning left crosswind for 31. Barrow County 363 Delta Alpha, extending downwind. Barrow County. Hey, Whiskey X-ray, you staying in the matter?
Negative. Barrow County traffic, 737 Whiskey X-rays, left cross 131, departing the area to the southwest.
Barrow County traffic, number 223 Whiskey Foxtrot. Doing a right 360 for spacing, looking out for Whiskey X-ray, Barrow.
And we'll be above you, we're climbing through 2,300.
Baldwin traffic, 101 Romeo X-rays, 3 mile final, runway 28 Baldwin County. Cessna County traffic, number 3 Whiskey Foxtrot, turning left base, 17, short approach, number 2, check.
Baldwin County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, 2,500, about 7 miles to the north. We'll be setting up for the left downwind, runway 28 Baldwin.
Check.
County, that's Cherokee 6006 Whiskey, joining the left downwind, 145.
Baldwin traffic, 40599 Delta, 7 miles south, inbound to cross Milledgeville at 3,500, right to your drop left, official down runway 28, touch and go, Baldwin.
Jackson County traffic, clear track 392 left, crosswind for runway 17, Jackson County traffic.
Baldwin County and Cherokee 41387, taxiing to runway 28, Baldwin County.
Left downwind.
Do a full stop or same as
101 runway X-rays, clearing the runway at the end of 28.
to the west.
Traffic down third. Go 17, go traffic. Baldwin traffic, 40599 Delta, 5 miles south, inbound to cross Milledgeville at 3,500. Right clear drop, left to the field bound, runway 28, touch and go, Baldwin.
Baldwin traffic, Gulf Stream 101, runway X-rays clear, runway 28, Baldwin County. Baldwin County, November 599 Delta, 5 miles from the north. We'll cross Milledgeville at 3,500 for right clear drop, and to the left into the balance for runway 28, touch and go.
You liking 17 clear track or no?
Yeah, 17's fine.
In Baldwin County traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays 2 to the north, 1,800, crossing midfield for the left downwind 28, Baldwin.
Jackson County traffic, Diamond Star, 333 Whiskey Foxtrot train, sending left crosswind 417 Jackson. Baldwin traffic, 40599 Delta, 3 miles north, inbound across Midfield at 3,500. Right clear drop, left visual down, runway 28, touch and go, Baldwin.
Jackson County traffic, clear track 392 left, base, runway 17, Jackson County traffic.
Baldwin traffic 737 Whiskey X-rays, overhead 1,700 for a right teardrop, left downwind 28, Baldwin.
Clear track 392.
Just got traffic on Star, Jewish Foxtrot going right 360, course spacing, and left downwind leg for 17, Jackson. Baldwin traffic, 405 Delta, cross the midfield at 3,500, right clear drop, left visual down, runway 28, touch and go, Baldwin.
In Baldwin traffic, Cessna 737 Whiskey X-rays, 45 for the left downwind 28, Baldwin.
We got you inside Cessna, Baldwin, 500 Delta.
Roger, we're looking for you. Baldwin traffic 737 Whiskey X-rays left base 28 Baldwin. I do not see anyone on final. Baldwin traffic 737 Whiskey X-rays turning final 28 full stop Baldwin.
Baldwin traffic, close to find out the left base of bound line 28, touch and go, Baldwin. Baldwin traffic, close to find out the left base, runway 28, touch and go, Baldwin.
In Baldwin traffic 737 Whiskey X-rays 28 taxi back 28 Baldwin.